keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome on Blyesmith's 23rd day. Blyesmith, everyone. Hello. I hope everybody's had a wonderful time shopping and getting all their last minute shopping and traveling done today. So this is Miss Lena. I'm trying to get to some of the things that I want to do, finish doing, and try to get some of the more videos out. Okay, so I'm going to first get started with my scripture. Okay, come to me, all you who are weary, burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you, and learn from me. For I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest in your soul. Matthew 11:28 through 29 verse. Thank you so much. Now I'm getting ready to, I have some collard greens, and I'm getting ready to show you how I'm going to wash them and cook them and put them on. But in this pot I have some turkey butts, turkey ends, and I also have, they're just the regular, but I have one smoked turkey neck also. So in this pot I'm going to be putting in, we don't use tap water, so we use water out of the jugs. All right, so I'm going to put in, I don't know how much I got to put in. I'll start with this. I'm going to put in half of it now. This is a gallon jug of just plain water. I hope everyone is shopping and getting ready for the last few days. Let's see. A little bit more. Okay. All right, so now I put half in, and I'm going to be putting in, we cut up the not garlic, but onions and bell peppers. Okay. I'm going to be dropping that in. I'll also be dropping in just my ingredients that we always use most of the time. Put the top on that. I don't want to turn it over. This is my complete. Okay. Okay, so I'm putting in complete. Onion powder. The garlic powder comes next. Okay. Now I'm going to put this on the burner and let it get started. Then I'm going to go and show you how I'm going to wash the greens. Okay. Okay, I put 1/8 teaspoon of salt into 6 parts of water. So, and then I have the machine that's supposed to clean all my vegetables. So I'm going to put this in. I'll push the button and cut it on. And let this purify the water. And then I'll be putting the greens in about 5 or 6. Just as soon as this light go off. So this is very good for, I just wanted to show you one more time. This was a product that I had gotten from a company to show. But I have had real good results from cleaning my vegetables and my fruits with it. And even though those some that I put in there last a little bit longer. And I just wanted you all to see it. So maybe sometime down the line, if you all continue to see it, maybe you will take your, I think the link is in there that you can order it somewhere on one of those videos, the first one that I did for this company, NJC company in Dallas. Prime company. Okay. Okay, so. All right, so now the water, once the light go out, the water has purified. Okay, so I'm going to set that there. Now I'll start putting my greens in. I think I have about maybe 6 or 7 bunches of greens here. I don't know. I waited a long time to get them picked, so therefore I lost a few of them. let them stay here for just a few seconds on the other side. Now, these are just the ones that are coming out already, so I need to on this side either. I do have another strainer. I let them stay in here just for a couple of minutes or so and kind of let them go over and over again to pull all the bacteria out of them or whatever could be in there. And they really do clean for me, so I'll just let them stay here for a minute or two longer, and then I'll put them in, and I will transfer them in the other water in the meantime.
And this is where it's from, y'all. J&J Homes. It is called J&J Purifier.
I thought I guess it's in. Plug it in, the light will come on. And then it stays on. Then it turns off. Once you put it in the water, after the water starts, it purifies the water with about 1/8 inch of 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you stir it into the water. Then you put it in there. Before you put your greens in, your fruit or whatever, and then you take it out, and once it will cut off on its own. Okay. So now it's been in here about 2 minutes, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to take them out, and put them in another thing. I'm not going to try to run the water slowly, so you can see them come out.
Okay, y'all. I don't see if you can see, but that's how it cleans it, the greens and vegetables. I mean, I know y'all can't really see, but it's all kind of little crawly bug looking things crawling around off in there. So that vegetable is a very good cleanser. I know y'all can see how dirty the water is, but it's not even showing the true dirt. How dirty it is on this camera. So
it's a lot of bacteria that you might not see. It's not the dirt, it's really bacteria that's coming off, and the fungus or something in there that you really don't see even when you're washing your greens just in the plain water.
And I don't know,
you can wash them a lot of time, but you won't see it.
Like little white I don't know, little bugs swimming around in there that you can't even see. So I think it's a good product. I really do.
All right, so now I'm pulling it out. Let it see there, down at the bottom. See the little bitty things is down in there? That's bacteria down in there that's coming out the greens. It's not, you wouldn't see that in just your regular wash. But down in there, it look like little dirty things. That's all the processing stuff that they put on them.
And then there's little white bugs crawling around there too, y'all. So
okay,
awesome product.
Okay, I just wanted you all to see this again, and it keeps your fruit and stuff really good. I've tried it on my oranges and everything, and they last longer after I do the cleansing. We definitely don't know what we're eating. That's why we have so much fungus, and they're calling all the different types of things that's going on. As long as I wash them now, they'll continue for it to come out because they've already been treated in the chemical water. So I may get 2 or 3 washings, and I still may see the same little areas come off of them. And I don't have to do one at a time. You just cut it up and see it, because after a while it'll soon purify itself. And I really love it. I really do. And I tell you, the first time I washed them, the greens taste so much better and they season so much better. Once I really did it the first time that I tried it, I was really amazed and surprised about it, you know, when I first tried it. So I really wanted you all to see it, because I like for my supporters and my subscribers to know, even though it might not be a paid product at this particular time, but I know a lot of people probably missed it when I first put it on. And I said, well, this is a good time for you all to see it again, and maybe somebody may get interested in not wanting to get in all this E. coli bacteria and all this stuff, because every day it's something being recoiled in the fruits and vegetables and everything else. But I thought this was a very good product for me to show at this particular time.
All right, y'all. We finna go. She just showing you a little how she washed her greens. And we'll be back once she's ready to put them on. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm putting the greens in the pot. I should have cooked them in the cast iron pot, though.
Sorry, y'all, all the great grandkids over here. That's what you hear.
I'm going to try to get them all in there. And start cooking down. And I'll turn back and I'll kind of turn them over a little bit. Okay. I have them all in there now, so.
We'll be back.
All right. This is my final for my presentation for my collard greens. And I would cook them with turkey tails and turkey necks. And they are very delicious. Only thing that's missing for me is my cornbread. I do like cornbread with them, but I am going to be tasting them without the cornbread today, because I don't have any cornbread ready yet. Okay, in fact, these are for Christmas Day dinner, so I don't have any. I hadn't planned on cornbread, so.
This is so good, y'all. So good.
They are really good. They're hot. They are delicious. Really good. Off the chain? Yes. I'll tell you, they are really, really good. They are so good. So I may not be enough for Christmas Day. Everybody loves collard greens in my house. So they may have to fight over them a little bit.
Except for King Chef Malachi.
They can only get maybe a fork full. That's about it. I don't care for collard greens that much anyway.
We're having hamburgers, having Mexican.
But anyway, we love them. So anyway, thank you so much. Don't forget, this is the 23rd, going on the 24th day. Christmas is almost here. Jesus is the reason for the season. Thank you so much. Happy holidays to everyone. This is from Miss Lena's Kitchen, day 23. And I sure appreciate you all. Watch the videos. Keep watching. Thank you to all of my subscribers, all the ones that's behind, all of the new ones that I don't know, all of my other ones, all the ones that's on the membership.
And all the faithful ones that have been here from the start.
And all the faithful ones that's been here for my 2 years and a half that I've been on. Thank you so much. Appreciate you all. Everything that you have done, I appreciate you. Just keep watching my videos, and I thank you so much. God bless everyone until the 24th day. Goodbye, and I'll see you later.